Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today, and today we have got a Hoover dust manager.
1 speed.
And this one is a 2000 watt one.
1 speed one.
This one is a later dust manager because it's showing the inside of this one.
You know my Bezak one, I have the box in it.
Yeah, he's got a dust cap in it. The later one
box.
has got a cyclone in it.
My Bezak one's called a dust box. It's got a dust
yeah.
box in it. Here's what this one looks like.
We'll show them in there then. Well, anyway, we actually got this one for free on somebody was advertised this on Gumtree, and literally they had it on their week. Nobody was interested.
Here's a box.
And there's the box to it, so it's not in bad condition.
Here's the bin.
I'm going to show them the bin then. But it has been used, so you know, it has been. I actually deep cleaned everything on it, but it was still.
There's a shorter, pepper, and new car wash these.
You can wash them, yeah.
Over
Yeah.
the taps.
So I washed all the filters on it.
And now the kind of wash. There's the cyclone.
There's a cyclone. Dual. Is that a dual cyclone or a single cyclone?
So now it all spins around up here. Now so this big bit just spin around 3 times around up the bottom, and as it goes through this hole here.
Oh right.
As it goes down there. And that's how they enter it.
So I have just wiped that one out with
And
a
that's,
wipe.
and that's how they enter it.
It was very. What was it like when we first had it? Well, the picture when we first had it was very similar when I showed you on the video, but when I actually got it, it was absolutely white with plaster everywhere.
You see, it says you can wash the HEPA filter.
You know, on that one it says you can wash the HEPA filter up. So anyway, this one here, the reason why they were getting rid of it, because it was very noisy, not because of the motor, but because of the, well.
Bus bar.
So what we did, Carl has also got some belts and stuff like that for Pure Power. We put the Pure Power belt on, which is exactly the same. It was a genuine Hoover one, and it was making a right rattle, wasn't it? But it was, when we first had it, the brush bar was slipping, so I replaced that, and it just made, so that's the reason why it was slipping, because the brush bar was in the right state. Show the brush bar.
You've got the bus bar on.
Yeah, well, we're actually going to be doing showing you. Let's look at the back of this one there, because it's got these.
This part here is sapped.
Yeah, right, the little clip there, that holds this in place like that. It's snapped off. That's down there. That.
And my Bezak said you can buy those kits.
Yeah, we ain't worried about that.
They said you can buy the whole piece of
It does come
here.
with most of its tools. It comes with like an extending thing.
No, it's supposed to have a dusting box here.
Yeah, they have actually replaced that. That's a new part there. But is that a genuine Hoover one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the centre one. It's just got V's on it. And that's supposed to be a dusting box.
Yeah, that's just a dusting brush, yeah.
And someone, you got a dusting brush, I want it.
I think we got some actually.
I not got one of those.
Oh no, we didn't have a dusting brush, did we?
I not got a dusting brush of one of those. That's
So
why
anyway.
I want to ask someone. Who's got a spare dusting brush? I want it. I want a spare
Well, let's
dusting
have a look at the
I want a dusting
model.
brush.
There's a DM 452301. I don't know about dating this one. This is a later one. In fact, they've actually got this one here on the Argos website, haven't they?
I want to show them it.
No, we can't show them it, but yeah, they've actually reviewed it. It's quite an old video, actually.
You want to go do.
So this one here is 1700 to 1800 and 1800 to 2000 watts. There's maximum of 2000 watts. I think it's week 39.
Wheels comes off.
2010, it could be that.
Wheel cap comes off.
Oh, you can put it back on.
It's easy. Let's pop it in these little holes.
Well, I think it's pretty good for free, this one. I mean, we spent a little. What you say? We had a belt for it. We knew we had a belt for it. So normally when they're noisy, it's something to do with brush roll or a belt or something like that. So what are you going to show them now on this? I'm going to show them the filter on this one now.
Just one. You need to take this off first.
Right, well, what we'll do, undo this.
No,
one,
you
look.
take the hose off.
There we go.
You don't need to undo the cable. You just need to take the hose off.
Oh, I've lost this filter. What's that? The genuine Hoover washable microfilter. So we're going to put this one back in now.
It's not HEPA one.
No, it's not the HEPA one.
Well done. The one I got, it's got HEPA filter in the back.
Yeah. Yeah, but you were the proper one, didn't you? These aren't. These are just the cheap. These are actually like the later ones. In fact, like say, a dust manager basically is a pure power
One day.
with a bag in it, with a box in it.
I say you put that on the wrong way.
Alright.
That bit's supposed. This bit's supposed to be at the. You're supposed to put the bottom bit upstairs.
Yeah, a bit
Just
fiddly with one hand. Paul seems to do the most. He seems to pull it apart, but the bits that don't need to be pulled apart, he likes to show. Show them how it does when you do the stair cleaning.
I'm not doing that.
But just show them how the hose clips in.
No, everybody else saw that.
Alright,
I'm
whatever.
done. I will try
So
to
anyway,
do
what
that.
we're going to do now, we're actually going to fire this one up with the original set.
Why? I need my extenders and it's now.
Go on then, go get it then. You got two pairs.
No, I need to use a pair.
Go on then, they're both together. Like I say, this video was done on the Easter weekend. So we've
It's
just
on
got.
technics mode.
Right,
It's on technics mode. It doesn't work
No.
properly.
beware, this is a very noisy vacuum cleaner.
I'm doing everything, but all the cables around the back.
Yeah, the little. That doesn't work that well. Keep it down like that, because now we're gonna do a brush bar swap now. Now, can you show them the new brush? Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, 2 times.
There's that one. We'll turn it off at the plug. Look, open
I'm
safety.
going to put it in.
I'm putting it in. Now,
See, this corner. Where are you going to put the screws in?
there's a replacement one.
Where are you going to put the screws in?
Hang on, we'll show the box first. See, it's a genuine Hoover one. It's been like, looks like it's been opened.
And where are you going to put the screws back in?
Well, after, see, it's got the Hoover on it.
Look, it's on the original corner.
See, originally when we went for it, see, it's got a slightly different. No, no, it didn't.
It's supposed to have red.
See, originally when we ordered it had a picture of a red one, but I think this is the newer style one, the black one. Obviously, black plastic is a lot cheaper than the. So yeah, so all you do here is you just take the belt off.
So what kind of belt I got?
Oh yeah, show them the belt then. There you go. There's a brand new. As you can see, it's a belt. You know the camera then while I put the belt in. Can't put that in because I need to put the lid back on.
I'm doing it. Do.
Don't start messing around with it, mate. Because people won't watch your house, will they? Put it in. No. And fairly
5, 7.
fairly easy, right?
I'll take 8 minutes to put that in.
So all you do
And
now.
I saw that going. It's
Yeah.
only 8 minutes. Took to put that in.
So they're back in now. Now we put the top back on. So that
We're
one
going
there.
to do what I want. We're going to screw it on.
These are the nightmare bits.
Screw it on. Screw it on.
So this brush bar cost about £12 with
We're
shipping.
going to screw it on.
Well, it's right for the video, mate.
I don't know. It doesn't pick up no back.
Oh, whatever.
This is
So where's the
what,
screws gone then?
I don't know.
Well, just got to screw it in now. And then we'll see how much quieter it is now after this new brush roll. I couldn't find the actual screws. Well, I've had some other ones hanging around the house. That's why we had to stop the video. Because there was a bit of eruptions, Carl had a bit of a breakdown over the screws.
There's supposed to have screws in
Yeah, it's alright, I've done it now anyway. Just found some handle screws. Screws are screws. I'm going to put it back together now.
You broke it.
I didn't break it.
You broke that.
I didn't break any of it.
You broke both those
Oh,
off.
it fell off. I'm going to put this back on properly, or am I going to be doing it?
Oh, like that. I did that 10 times in a video.
Right.
One you need to do it.
So there's the other brush
Okay.
roll. Oh, I thought you were
Goes
doing
on,
it.
it goes on this way.
You've got to make sure those there go very nice and tight, because that's they rattle out, don't they?
It doesn't rattle out.
Right, this is all hooked in. Right.
The third bus part rattles out, and the brand new one, it doesn't rattle out.
Wow. So this person got rid of this because it was making that horrible rattling noise. I was paying.
Turn it back on.
I spent. It is on.
No, it's not. You have it off.
It would have been about £15 all in. Yeah, a different smell in it, look. Motor sounds lovely actually, doesn't it? Nice and smooth, that is. So like I say, that one there is another fine example of. I'll put it down then. Of a dust manager. Cole hasn't actually got a dust manager, and it is in a nice red colour.
What else would have got in a kit?
Got pure power, haven't we? Which we haven't put on yet. It's got a nice pure power. Yeah, that doesn't work. The handle release doesn't work on that, so we'll manually. Well, I've got another.
Doesn't work for me.
No.
That's why I just do that.
They break anyway, those chassis. There's another one that it doesn't stand up properly. Go on then.
Like this, my other one.
It folds by itself, doesn't
Like
it?
that.
Yeah.
That's it goes like this.
Yeah. So let's get back to this video then, because the time is creeping on with this one.
On.
Go on then. On the right setting. Yeah. Short. Well, it's amazing really how many of these pure powers and dust managers have probably gone down the tip because of that noise it was making.
No, my base actually no, the old ones go down the tip and they're not working.
And like you say, this here is a fine example for Cole's collection.
I'd say those pill powers, the motors don't work on them.
Well, this one actually works fine, doesn't it? And like I say, with a little bit of money, I mean, it wasn't difficult. I did it on camera.
And I tell you, see, you're not, that's why you don't need to clean it out.
No.
Or it gets dirty still.
Is it every 5 times or something?
No, every 5 times you wash the filter.
Every 5 empties on them, you're supposed to wash the filter.
And this is all how it's just picked up the carpet.
So it's picked up a load.
See, it's all shine. See,
Yeah.
See, it turned into tool dust with that brush
So
roll.
that actually, like you say, it cost me £12 for the brush roll. It includes shipping, and I'm sure you could buy the boats for like 99p or something like that. So 13 quid refurbished. I mean, it's done. What do you say now?
Well, it's on now.
And please subscribe to Vacuum Man, and bye from the Dust Manager as well. Bye.